Hey, Power! Open up!
Power!
What do you want, peasant? Can't you see I'm watching the TV?
Bitch, that's a picture frame!
Okay, so why are you here?
You know why we here. Where's your rent money? We're tired of you mooching off us.
And I said that I will give you your rent money tomorrow.
What did you just say?
I'll get your rent money tomorrow, so you gotta hang tight till tomorrow. Oh, I meant tomorrow.
You told us that the day before!
Power, you need to leave. I'm tired of you sticking up the bathroom.
Why you so mad about that? I know you humans be doo-dooing everywhere. Unlike some of you people. I'm talking about you, motherfucker. I always flush.
No, you don't! Look, Power, you have to go. You keep leaving your undies everywhere too, bro.
God!
Anyway, I'll pay you tomorrow.
Oh, you will pay us tomorrow?
Tomorrow for sure. Now get the fuck out of here, human! I'm just trying to hop on my totally real PS5.
Bitch, that's a GameCube!
Foolish boy. Keep talking that shit and I'll hit you with my period hammer.
Wait, you what?
I need my butt hammer.
Yeah, you better correct yourself. Okay, we'll be expecting your rent money tomorrow. If you don't have it, we're selling your cat to a Chinese restaurant.
I'd like to see you try. Mortal.
Man, fuck you, you're a bitch. I broke character.
Hey, Power! Rent! Hey! Rent, Power! Rent! 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 Rent!
Power!
What do you want, human? I'm in the middle of playing my PS5.
That's a fucking GameCube! Power! Do you have your rent money?
Yeah, about that.
Where's your cat at?
Try me, bitch!
You said you'll pay up today! Do you even have a job?
Yes, I am the demon hunter. I just got laid off.
Bro, I'm tired of you always lying to us and mooching off us!
Fuck you, black man.
Billy, calm down. It's not working.
You dirty!
Billy.
You don't clean up after yourself!
Billy, calm
you
down.
barely bathe!
Billy.
You don't eat your clean vegetables!
Billy.
Billy!
Billy.
I don't even know why you're tripping, dog. Like, come on, I don't smell that bad.
God!
How does he keep getting here? I don't understand. Like,
What
the fuck, dude?
Bark for me, Juicy.
Oh hell no! They nerfed you in the anime, bitch!
Wow, that's a great argument.
Don't you fucking say it.
However,
Fucking stop!
my ass.
Oh my goodness!